Hi, I've been attending Fiki Frames for the last almost 5 years now. I find this always to be the best forum to interact with the people, network, and also some best speakers who come and seriously do justice to the subjects. And more than anything, you get to know new things, what's happening, and what we can look forward to in the entertainment industry. Okay. Basically, if you look at the report, the entertainment industry, you can look at television, print, and all growing, but film as a sector has not shown significant growth. You can see in the numbers. I like to know what this industry is addressing about and how they're going to look at growing this industry dramatically, at least by 10% level. So that's what I wanted to hear from various speakers and also interact with my friends here in the industry, network with the people. That's the purpose of my coming.
You have now a new job in UTV as a head of South Network, and you know both the worlds, both Bollywood and the South very strong. How do you think that you will be able to connect, and what's your job target?
Okay, Bollywood is more corporatized and institutionalized, in the sense a lot of big companies are already existing and established here, and they're doing a very good job, including UTV, Uras, and all the companies. South is more of independent producers. Okay, it's a very fragmented, very divided industry. So it survives on individual financing and individual creativity. It doesn't have any organized setup. The very objective of UTV to move to South is to institutionalize and organize and do it in a very professional manner, filmmaking, the way the company succeeded in Hindi business. So my mandate is very clear: bring in that professionalism and bring in some very good films which the company will be proud of and commercially successful. That's the whole idea.
Fiki has also been doing Fiki frames in the South. They have been doing for 2 years, and they will be doing it this year also. From your perspective, what is it that they should focus on?
Okay, I have this feedback saying that this is not right thing to rotate Fiki frames in various cities. Like, for example, Mumbai Fiki frames always happens in Powai. It become a landmark. I have been there 2009, Fiki, I attended in Chennai. Then 2010, it happened in Hyderabad. What happens is, if you do it in Chennai, Hyderabad people don't come in. And if it happen in Hyderabad, Chennai people don't travel. Same way, Malayalam industry never bothers about it. If you happen to do it in Cochin, believe me, even Kerala film industry will not come because Kerala film industry doesn't belong to Cochin. It is entire Kerala, and Kannada industry is in Bangalore. So I would strongly recommend to Fiki that fix one location, preferably Chennai, because Chennai is a mother city for all South languages. Have it there every year, and slowly bring in one by one all the language people, so that it becomes a complete South Fiki frames. By shifting various locations, you are not going to achieve the objective.
Please talk about the Tamil film compilation which you have done.
Okay. I recently released a book called The Best of Tamil Cinema, The 80 Years of Tamil Cinema. Both Tamil and Telugu languages completed 80 years in this year. And my book is to compile the best of Tamil cinema in a research basis. And it has come out recently. It's released on 2nd March by Dr. Kamal Hassan. And it's highly appreciated by entire industry, including by Superstar Rajinikanth. In fact, those who have gone through the book, they said this is the finest book and it's the best book on Tamil cinema. Anybody who would like to know about Tamil cinema, this is a book which gives you a complete spectrum of 80s of Tamil cinema.
What is the difference between what has been existed so far and what has come? What
Actually, there is nothing existed on Tamil cinema so far in English. This is the only book and the first book which talked about the entire Tamil cinema from 1931 to 2010 in English and structured manner. Every progress of the industry is captured in this book. You can see how the industry progressed and what are the current status by reading this 2-volume book.
there are people who say that Balachandar has said that he liked some of the movies that you have picked there, but you have left some of those things.
Okay.
What do you tell people, who have said that you have dropped some of them?
Okay, end of the day, when you pick up anything as best of any industry, there is obviously subjectivity will be there. This is not my view alone. There is this book is a compilation of views of a lot of people. In fact, I take an opinion from a lot of media people and who have selected the films, and that's where featuring there. Actually, if you read the foreword of K. Balachandar, he very clearly said that this book is a finest collection of best of Tamil cinema. Although there will be reasonable debate about films left out, there cannot be any debate about the films which are featuring in this book. So there can be some debate about few films left out, but I guess that's something we need to carry on. And because any case, when you bring out a best, it's subjective. So it's not something like one can guarantee say this is the best. This is from our perspective based on a team of people who selected the best of Tamil cinema. But there may be interpretations of some films which are left out. I don't think I can do justice to everybody. Thank you so much.
So in your book, you have mentioned that very quality films for the prints are not available. Do you think such scenario will be there in the future that some of the present movies will not be available in later stage, or is the government doing any steps to prevent such a scenario?
Okay, I mentioned, even in the recent interview in Times of India, that even now, if the government decides to act upon it, it is possible to bring out all the copies. I just recommended saying that before censor certificate issued, just make sure that one copy is retained by the archives of Tamil cinema. It is possible to compile all the collection of Tamil cinema. It's just that, there should be some movement on this. Right now, there's no integrated work on this particular thing and nobody's bothered about it. It is possible, and over a period of time, next 10 years, we can actually collect the best of Tamil cinema, at least the best of Tamil cinema, if not the entire Tamil cinema, in a proper archive system.
Any plans to convert the book kind of a documentary or something like that?
Actually, the book is it's a physical medium right now. It's being available. In fact, in the next 1 month, it will be available in digital. In fact, one can download this whole film in a digital media. And as a DVD, I am not planning to bring it out because there will be a very expensive DVD, and I have to take a lot of approvals from a lot of people and permissions. It's not easy to bring out in a digital media beyond a book format. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.